Hey guys, I hope you all have looked into my poster. Yes, that is the suspense. Nobody will imagine at all. Like I have been keeping since many days the suspense bolke, and it's really very exciting for me also. I want to thank my daughter actually. I was like learning some courses, software courses, but due to schedule with her, I couldn't able to attend the classes. That time only, because of her, the forgotten talent has come out again. 5 years back only, I started like writing and all small stories like that. I thought of like that time only to publish a novel, but I couldn't, But now again, I'm coming with my first novel, my original story. Uh, many like so many people we have met in our lives, somewhere in school, college, career like that. I hope you all will support me. Like I want to, being a Telugu girl, being an Indian, taking the book worldwide, is something not a small thing. You know, my journey, I have seen so many, struggles. First of all, I'm a homemaker. I feel proud of that also. And being a homemaker, lacking with funds is very much always stressing for me. I went with sponsors also. So many sponsors, they came forward, but I don't know what happened. They took back step, and again I need to start from the scratch. At that time only, my Deepak has helped me in funding my book. So thanks Deepak, thanks to you so much. And I want really all of you, support this, because one thing is that this is not just the story of me and Deepak. You all are involved in my story. Yes, you should tell me where, in which chapter you all are involved. Once the book gets published, please share this as much as you can. This is nothing going to cost you anything. It's just a friendly support I just expect from you all. Coming to so many influences have come forward actually to help me freely. Yeah, they are having many followers, 200k followers, 50k followers. They understood my situation, and daily I used to talk with many influencers worldwide, not just India, worldwide. They are very kind. They told me that they will help me, they will keep in their stories, they will post and all. So thanks to you all guys. I need more influencers who can help me out in this journey, because let's rock it. For me, this industry is only new for me. I want to thank my publisher also, Story Mirror, who have been my back support, helping a debut author. Generally, like we in India, South India, that too from Telangana, it's not getting book published. It's not a small thing, because you won't believe that I have spoke with so many traditional publishers, and many rejected my novel, which I can understand, because they need they're keeping funds from their side. So I went with self-publisher, and even so many self-publishers have accepted my novel. But why Story Mirror means, I will make it a video on that also further. So this is it as of now. Please share, tell your friends to share. That's it. Thank you so much.